How to check Instagram call history. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can check Instagram's call history. So, let us begin. First, open up your Instagram. Now, under Instagram, there is no particular feature where you can check your Instagram's call history. The only thing you can do is open up your text or the DMs where you have called and check the history there. Now you can go through each and every one of them, or the other way is if you have synced your devices and the app, what you can do is you can go to your contacts here and then go to your recent call history, and there you will see the Instagram's history too. So that is basically how you can view your Instagram's call history, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more, and if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos.